back where it all started. A little bit different this time, going south instead of north, and starting out by myself, and no rain. I spoke a little too soon about no rain. At least it's a light rain so far. I'm just a little bit under 3 miles to the shelter, and there is a water source at the shelter, from what I understand, but it's a very steep, long hike down to get to it, which means a long, steep hike back up. So I decided to go ahead and filter water here and top off. I also made sure I got a good drink. Normally I only carry about 1.5 liters of water, as long as I know I'm going to be able to filter, but when I saw the forecast calling for upper 80s and 90s, I threw an extra 1/2 liter bottle in. So I also went ahead and got another liter I'm carrying in my CNOC that I can filter once I get to camp. So altogether I got about 3 liters of water, which is kind of a crazy amount, but if it keeps me from having to do the long hike to get water at camp, I think it'll be worth it. We'll see. That is a beautiful sight. The shelter. Well, this is very, very tempting, but I really need to keep moving. Looks like a nice place though. All right, now the fun begins. 13.5 miles of up and down and up and down and up and down. We'll see you at the other side. So it's definitely heated up, and this has been a long stretch with very little water. So this is a trail to a spring, and there is camping at the spring. I think with the heat, I am done for the day. That was the plan anyway. I had entertained the thought of going further, but I think it's a good place to stop. Well, hello, little friend. And a good morning to you. I slept in a little bit this morning, took my time around camp this morning. I got a really, really short hike into Bear's Den, and I'm not even sure I'll be able to get in until 5, so I see no reason to be in a hurry. I'd honestly hang out here, but it is going to be another super, super hot day. High in 90, I believe. So I do want to get, since we're in the roller coaster, I want to get the hard hiking done before it gets super hot. West Virginia is done. One more state down. Ugh. Feel like I'm back in Pennsylvania. So apparently I just climbed all this to figure out this isn't actually the trail. There was a blue glove down where this turned. I'm guessing that should have been a clue that I should follow that way. Not too big of a detour, but any detour going uphill is a bad detour. So I will head back. To be fair, this looks much more like a trail than this does. So today is another unseasonably hot day in April. It's supposed to be 93 today. Yesterday was in the 90s, and I really felt like I was getting overheated, getting dehydrated, so I made the decision to not hike today. Taking the day, I'm at Bear's Den. I figured it's a good place to stop, get rehydrated. Really didn't eat much yesterday because it was just too hot. I just could not make myself do it. So today is kind of a rest, relaxation, and rehydration. Get cooled down, and it's supposed to be in the low 80s tomorrow. So still warmer than I like to hike, but definitely a lot more doable. Since I didn't plan for a day off, that really kind of messes my itinerary up a little bit. So I have a shuttle coming. I'm going to get shuttled down to Ashby Gap. Which means, of course, I'm going to miss part of the trail, part of the roller coaster. I obviously will be back to make those up. I definitely don't skip places. Skip around a little bit, but I'm not going to skip any of the miles. So I still have the northern half of Shenandoah to do. That'll be a good time to make up these miles that I'm going to miss. So not going to be a whole lot to update on today, other than just taking it easy and sticking to the shade. Bear's Den's got really nice grounds, lots of picnic tables. I got to sit out on the Bear's Den overlook for a while, just enjoying the nature today, which is the whole point of this anyway. So probably being a little too cautious, but not gonna take the chance of getting dehydrated, getting overheated, and getting hurt. So probably won't check back in today, but I will see you tomorrow morning on the trail.